want to expand your world from where you are? Or would you like to remain in frog in the well? I'm sure none of you would like to be. So, I have looked at my 35 years of experience and I see what I did take action. What are the things I did? One of the major things I did that during my career, I kept on adding value in terms of learning and reinventing myself. How did I do it? I started with direct sales, got into consumer durables, did FMCG, did retail, e-commerce, yeah, so many things I did. But what was a common thing I built in every organization? Team building, very, very important, and duplicating the process. And another important thing was customer satisfaction. If the customer wasn't satisfied, there was no way that I could have built and succeeded my business. There was no way I could have built it if my colleagues, whom I could grow at a higher responsibility, could not grow. Second thing is opportunities in tough times. Now, whenever I got stuck in an organization and for the environment which forced me to get out of that, it actually came as a blessing to me. Because when I stepped out in the world, the unknown world where I had not ever worked earlier, I realized that I added more value. Why? Because of the courage with which I went ahead. So, whenever there are crises, it's a blessing. And right now also, we're going through a crisis. But how many of us are ready to take action and move ahead and succeed? That's important. Third point is, what is the purpose of your life? What do you want to do? That is power of purpose. Always I have worked in organization to build the brand, to empower the people by growing them to higher responsibility. These have been my core purposes, and that is why I have been a good team player and I've built great brands from practically zero to multiple crores of business. Yeah, you can do it. It is not a difficult task at all. Yeah, and I feel so proud that many of us who started their journey with me are today at director or vice president level of various corporates. It's amazing. Then, in today's time, with internet being available to each one of us and the speed increased, we all reach out to the globe so easily. The whole world has become so small suddenly. And if you want to use this platform of e-commerce, yeah, you can do wonders. You can achieve your health, you can achieve your wealth, you can make the difference in society, right? And the next one is, how many of us want to make this new resolution post the pandemic, where some of us must have lost job or are on the verge of losing job, some of the businesses are closing down. Are we looking at something new? And if there is a new resolution, what is the action that you need to do? What do you want from the new environment? Why do you want from that new environment? And what should you do in that new environment? These are the questions that you have to ask yourself, and you will get your answers, and you will certainly succeed. Thank you so much.